What if I told you that the Nigerian government is desperate to pay you thousands of naira every 3 months? No, it isn't a scheme, it isn't crypto, and you don't need millions to start. This is an investment secret that banks don't want you to know because they are using it to make billions while paying you peanuts on your savings account. In the next few minutes, I'll be showing you how regular Nigerians are making between 16 to 18% guaranteed returns with as little as 5,000 naira, completely backed by the federal government. While inflation eats away at your savings in the bank, some smart investors are taking advantage of this opportunity to earn enough passive income to pay their rent, to pay school fees, and even build their retirement fund. I'm talking about federal government savings bonds, possibly the most underrated wealth building tool in Nigeria today. Stay with me to the end of this video because I'll be breaking down the step-by-step process to start your passive income journey this month. Before we dive in, click on that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so that you don't miss any wealth building opportunities like this one. Please also like this video so that more people can see it. Have you done that? Let's go ahead. So what exactly is the federal government savings bond? Simply put, this is you lending money to the federal government, and in return, they will pay you returns that no commercial bank can match. Think about it. When banks need money, they borrow from the Central Bank of Nigeria at the MPR rate, which is currently at about 27.5%. The banks then lend to individuals and businesses at higher rates from about 29% and above. But when you invest in federal government savings bonds, you're essentially becoming the lender to the government, creating a reliable passive income stream with zero chance of default. The money you make from federal government savings bonds are currently free from tax, and that even makes it more attractive. Federal government savings bonds are offered monthly, typically within the first week of the month. The subscription window usually opens within the first Monday of the month and ends by the Friday of that week. They come in two options, either a 2-year tenor or a 3-year tenor. The interest rates vary month to month, but they have become really attractive lately following the MPR increases. For example, we have been having consistent rates of about 16 to 18% over the last few months. One of the things that make these federal government savings bonds special is that you receive interest payments in your account every quarter, that is every 3 months. So in a year, you will get interest payments 4 times. Imagine having money deposited into your bank account every 3 months just for making a smart investment decision. Let me break down a few key details you need to know. 1, the minimum investment. You can get started with the federal government savings bonds with as little as 5,000 naira. Yes, you had that right, 5,000 naira. The second thing you need to know is the unit sale. Each unit costs 1,000 naira. So you must invest in multiples of 1,000. You cannot invest 5,500 or 5,200. For any amount you want to add on top of 5,000, it must come in multiples of 1,000. So 5,000, 6,000, 10,000, 100,000, it must be in multiples of 1,000 naira. The third thing you need to know is the maximum investment. The maximum investment for the federal government savings bond is 50 million, for those of you that are thinking big. Another thing you need to know is the interest payments. Like I said before, interest is paid every quarter, that is every 3 months. At maturity, you will get back your full return. So if you choose a 2-year tenor, you will get back your capital at the end of 2 years. And if you choose a 3-year tenor, you will get back your capital at the end of 3 years. The risk level for this investment is almost zero. It is low risk because it is backed fully by the full faith and credit of the federal government of Nigeria. Now let's see what this investment looks like with actual numbers. I have done some calculations for you to show you potential returns. If you invest 100,000 naira in a 2-year bond with a 16% interest rate, you will earn approximately 16,000 naira per year, and that's about 4,000 naira every quarter. After 2 years, you would have earned 32,000 naira in interest, plus you get your original 100,000 naira back. If you scale up to invest 1 million naira, you will earn around 160,000 naira per year, and that's about 4,000 naira hitting your account every 3 months. Total interest after 2 years will be 320,000 naira, and you get your initial 1 million naira returned at the end of 2 years. This is truly your money working for you while you sleep. What if you want to get your interest every month? Yes, if you invest for 3 consecutive months, you will actually unlock monthly interest. Like I said before, that this opportunity comes out every month. So if you invest for 3 consecutive months, for example, if you invest in May, in June, and July, automatically your interest will start dropping every month of the year. How amazing is that? If you would like to work with me personally so that I can guide you into achieving your investment goals and also help you to avoid making some horrible mistakes, then you can take advantage of the few slots I open up every month for my one-on-one coaching. I'm going to put the link for you to book in the description of this video and also in the comment section. I have a limit for the number of people I can work with in a month, so the earlier you book your slot, the better. Now, let us talk about how you can actually invest in these bonds. The first step is to choose a broker. You will need a stockbroker or an investment bank to help you invest. Popular options include ARM Securities, Stanbic IBTC stockbrokers, FBN Quest, Afrinvest. You can check the Securities and Exchange Commission website for a list of all the registered and licensed companies you can work with. After you have chosen your broker, the next step is to create an account. You'll be required to provide details like your BVN, your ID, your utility bill, and some other basic personal information. Once your account is created, you'll be given a CSCS number. This is your Central Securities Clearing System number, which is required for investments in Nigeria. Your broker will set this up. Once you have your CSCS number ready, then you're ready to key in. Once the offer for subscription comes out in a month, your broker will either give you a form to fill or give you a link to use and apply online. You will then go on to transfer the amount of money you wish to invest. As soon as your application is processed, all you need to do is sit back and then wait for your quarterly interest to start rolling in. Here is where it gets really interesting. You can use this investment strategically. Do you want to pay your yearly interest without stress? Then invest an amount that will generate enough interest to cover it. You can also use this to plan your school fees payment. Calculate how much you need to invest to generate quarterly interest that will align with your school fees payments. You can also build a portfolio by investing monthly, using that to create a reliable income stream for retirement. Before you rush to invest, here are some important tips. Number 1 is diversification. Don't rush and put all your money into one investment. The federal government savings bond should be part of a diversified portfolio. Number 2 is tenor selection. Choose a tenor that matches with your financial goals. If you know you'll need the money sooner, then go for a 2-year tenor. The third tip is your reinvestment strategy. Consider reinvesting your returns every 3 months so that your money can compound better. The fourth tip for you is to have an investment calendar. Create a calendar or a notebook to track all your investments and when their interest is supposed to come, and also when the amount is going to drop at maturity. This will help you keep track of your investments. So there you have it, a complete guide to investing in federal government savings bonds. This is honestly one of the smartest ways to start generating passive income in Nigeria today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps this channel. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on other wealth building videos like this one that are designed for the Nigerian economy. Drop your questions in the comments below and I will personally respond to it. And if you're already investing in the federal government savings bonds, drop your experience in the comments below. This will help other members of this community. Thanks for watching, and remember that building wealth isn't just for the elites. With the right information and consistent action, financial freedom is within everyone's reach. To learn more about how you can grow your money, watch the next video showing on your screen right now. Until I see you in my next video, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. I'm rooting for you. Bye for now.